Hey y'all, real quick here. So we are under severe thunderstorm warning. As you can see, it's getting pretty nasty. Excuse spotty guys, I have my iPhone. I don't have my camera with me because I didn't plan on filming. Of course, this means bad news for my bag of shavings that I have outside of my house because I forgot to put them in the little trash can I used to put in there when I have my dog Odie. But yep. Pretty nasty. Alright guys, I had to come in here because they're outside talking. Get the rain a bit bigger. Again, I apologize, but I don't have my camera with me, so. What the heck was that? Is that hail? Oh, that's hail. Yo, that's hail. It's hailing. Get hail. Oh my goodness. I forgot to finish the rest of the intro, guys. When you're here, my name is Lewis Pepper, and I'm finishing off this one. See, it's already starting to calm down. Storms don't get real nasty here, and see, they get nasty for a bit and then they go away. Okay, so I just heard this big loud clap of thunder, and so that pretty much I think is the end of the storm. It's still pretty early, but it's supposed to end at 3:45, but there's nothing outside anymore. So it's a shame I missed the big loud clap, but I had to mute that one part just because talking in the video, but basically that storm, as you probably saw, knocked down that basketball goal, which happens frequently when it's windy. We'll go outside and take a look at the damage. Alright, so all it is raining. So right here, up here is basically the last of the storm. Got pretty nasty. I knew something was gonna happen because we just went to some coffee shop. Looks like all the hail is melted. Is that hail right there? No, that's not hail. Dang it. I thought I had some hail on here, but I guess there was some hail laying around here, but basically what it looks like now. Looks like the storm's pretty much calmed down. So that I'll end this vlog, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so now I'm starting to wonder if there's another storm coming because it keeps thundering. Don't look like nothing's gonna happen. It's hard to do the little dark. It's starting to smell sawdust. Oh, it's back that way though. Maybe it is a storm. Maybe it is over. Oh, my dog is out here.